Alright, this is Kellen with Mountains of Sound. We are out at a house here in Sammamish. So we're taking a look at the siding here. It's got some wooden siding, and it also has this stucco siding here. So you can see the stucco siding has some cracks in it. When people see this sort of thing, they might get concerned about this. These cracks in the stucco, they go around here as well. But typically these are pretty normal, especially as the stucco ages over time. Just going through temperature changes, it's a thermal cracking here, so it's going through temperature changes, it's expanding, contracting. So that's why you get some of these cracks going on, like above windows, and then you can see all the way up here, kind of up there. You can see some more cracks going up and down this siding as well. So not a huge deal, more of a cosmetic thing. So just a little information for people. And again, thanks for watching. This is Kellen with Mountains of Sound.